So let's say I want to answer daily stand-up. How am I feeling? I'm ready to crush. What did I get done yesterday? Test. Nope. And then I want to add a GIF. And there it is, daily stand-up. We use this again on a daily basis. If people are unable to attend our physical stand-up meeting, this is a great way for people to tell us what they're working on. You can interact with it. You can reply, test reply. You can react with an emoji. You can tag people. So it's a very interactive way, again, to like, hey, I saw you're working on this, and then ask questions or comment on it or something like that. This visibility, you can make it, again, company-wide if you're small, or you can make it team focused by department, or you can individually add people to this flow if you have a small team.